It's gone. All right. David Stryzewski joins me now. Look, David, I know you're a bear, but you brought us 3 stocks that you think will do well this year. Let's start with ConocoPhillips. Make your case there.
Yes, sir. So, there's record global demand going on right now for oil, even though we're seeing a lot of green, conversations going on right now. So we've got, limited supply right now. Also, with the new Saudi-Russia relationship, they're looking at reducing the amount of barrels that they're producing per day. They've shared like 2 million barrels daily. So if we have, lower supply, demand still stays high, even if we get into a more recessionary time frame, companies like this are going to be profitable, even if they're producing less. Why? Because the per barrel price would be much higher. And so therefore the profit is better. So we've also drained the Strategic Petroleum Reserve. And, we need to fill that back up as these salt caverns are actually beginning to collapse. So
okay. I've got
it's
limited
critical
time.
for our infrastructure.
Let me move on. Second stock
Yes,
you
sir.
like in bad times, Costco.
Yes, sir. There's a lot of challenges taking place right now in our society. And one of the ways that Costco deals with shrinkage or theft is that they have membership base. They're double checking your receipt before you're walking out the door. So they're also paying a dividend. But I think a lot of people are going to be turning towards Costco because this is your upper middle class. This is where the money still is as far as consumers who still have cash. So I think that Costco is going to do great, even if there's political challenges going forward.
Last one, the third company, Southern Copper.
Yeah. Yeah, you got to go red. Each EV takes 85 pounds of copper in order to be able to produce that electric vehicle. Our critical infrastructure, being our electric grid, needs a lot of copper here as well. So this particular organization, of course, does copper, but they've also got lead, they've got zinc, they've got critical metals like silver and gold as well.
Tell me quickly why Bitcoin and Ethereum are rallying.
Okay, so there's a lot of change that's taking place right now in money, if you will, and so places like J.P. Morgan and BlackRock are coming up with ETFs, settling services, et cetera, at a time when people are beginning to question the U.S. dollar. They're questioning how to do basic trading. And so, Bitcoin and Ethereum kind of represent this future. It was digital first, and then now money can get involved, where we had paper money previously that's trying to go digital with the SWIFT system. There's a lot of players right now around the world that need a safer network and way of doing things. If J.P. Morgan brings this to the table, if BlackRock brings this to the table, it's going to find more first-time buyers here. And I think that they're going to be probably strong through the end of the year and even into the following years, just because of the scarcity, very specifically with Bitcoin.
Okay. Hey, David, thanks very much indeed. Good stuff. We'll see you again later. Let's move on to the movers, as we like to say.